Today in 2022, which is when we're filming this video, there are a couple of new lending options besides MoXi that were not available previously. So one is there's a Mexican bank that is not new, great reputation, great Mexican bank that's now offering foreigner financing only on purchases, right? So they're not doing refinance or cash out refinance to our knowledge. Their rates are adjustable, so tied to either the LIBOR index or a Mexican index, so no fixed rates there, but a great option for foreigners. The origination is also in US dollars, but it is serviced in Mexico, so there's no reporting of mortgage interest to the IRS in the US, giving clients an option to potentially write off that interest. So MoXi does do that. We service the loans at MoXi in the United States and report interest that way on those fixed rate mortgages. Some of the same options still exist that have been around for some time. And that's some of the Mexican banks that will make foreigners loans with some of those exotic terms. So that's still an option available. And then finally, developers, if you're buying new construction, a developer might offer you financing. One thing to be aware of is that developer financing often has a balloon payment associated with it. So they might offer you, an amount to complete your purchase where you don't have to bring all that cash in, right? But you'll be required to make a large balloon payment 3, 5, 6 years down the line. So for some folks, that's element of stress, right? That precludes their ability to enjoy their new vacation home. And so, we work with clients that have accepted the developer financing in the past and want to refinance out of it into a 25-year fixed loan. It's absolutely fine. Clients, sometimes didn't find us when they were originally doing their purchase, or maybe we weren't around then. And so they're finding us after the fact. And so we're helping with refinance on those terms. And then finally, another way that MoXi is really changing the game as it relates to Mexico specifically is that, to our knowledge, MoXi is the only lender that's offering cash out refinance to US citizens secured by property trust rights in Mexico. And cash out refinance is a really powerful tool, especially in this day and age from a liquidity standpoint. So we have clients that come to us who have a lot of equity in their home in Mexico because they did pay cash. They didn't know of any financing options available then. Maybe they took out a HELOC in the US. Maybe they borrowed money from their 401k or did a withdrawal from their investment account. And so we do a lot of we call takeout refinances or cash out refinances, where we are putting a new mortgage lien secured by the trust rights of the Mexican property. And then we are advancing the cash or the principal balance of the loan amount to the client, who can either do any number of things with it, right? Improve the property, do a remodel, maybe buy another unit. It's been such a great rental investment property that you want to buy another unit in the same development, or you have family and friends that join you so often that you need more space, or use it for investment purposes, outside of the country of Mexico. That's totally fine, right? So all of MoXi's originations are in US dollars. No foreign exchange risk from that perspective. And then MoXi loans are serviced in US dollars as well, which is really powerful from the standpoint of, you're earning your income in US dollars. You want to make sure you're repaying the loan in the same currency, so you're not subject to that foreign exchange risk at all. So those are just a couple of powerful ways that MoXi is helping to change the game here.